Okay, good day everyone. My name is John C.G. Burto. I'm from BIT Electronics 3G Day. So, today I will be presenting the type of business I plan to establish, the product and services I will offer. My target is target market and the legal structure I would choose. I plan to establish service-based and homemade business, especially a computer and internet service shop. This business will provide affordable and reliable computer service to students. Small business owner, job seeker, and resident in our community who need access to technology and internet services. The services I will offer include computer repairing and troubleshooting, either printing and photocopying, internet access and online research assistance, basic graphic design and document formatting, and installation of software and system updates. These services are highly needed, especially by students who complete school requirements and online and small business owners who manage digital transactions. Many people in the community do not have personal computer or stable internet connection at home. So this business can provide convenient and accessible solutions. My target market includes senior high school and college students, online sellers, small entrepreneurs, job seekers who need help preparing resume and submitting application online, and community residents who require printing, scanning, and other digital service. Since technology continues to grow and more activities are done online, the demand of computer and internet services remains steady. This makes the business idea practical and sustainable. It requires relatively low starting capital compared to larger business, and it can start small and expand gradually as profit increase. That the legal structure I will choose for this business is a sole proprietorship. I choose this structure because it is simple to establish, manage, in terms of liability. I understand that the owner is personally responsible of deed of obligation of the business, which means there is some personal risk. However, since the business is small and manageable, the risk is relatively low. Regarding taxation, income from the business is tax of personal income, making the tax process simpler compared to corporation. In terms of ownership and management, I will have full control over decision making, operation, and profits, allowing flexibility and faster responses to customer needs. Although raising capital may be limited compared to corporation, I can use personal savings to start and reinvest profit to support growth over time. In conclusion, I plan to establish a home-based computer and internet services business because it meets the needs of the community and has strong potential for steady income. Choosing a sole proprietorship aligns with my goals, available resources, and current risk tolerance. The structure allows me to maintain full control while gaining entrepreneurial experience and gradually expanding the business and the future. Thank you. Thank you for listening. That's all.